From early 2020, many were forced to self-isolate and work from home as an alternative due to the global pandemic COVID-19. Work from home is the most common term in the UK. Work from home, also called telecommuting, telework, teleworking, mobile work, remote working, and flexible workplace. It's a work management in which employees do not commute or travel to a central place of work, such as office building, warehouse, or store. Telecommuting came into prominence in 1970 to describe work-related substitutions of telecommunication and related information technologies for travel. By early 1980, branch offices and home workers were able to connect to organizational mainframes using personal computers. In the 1990s, telecommuting became the subject of pop culture attention. In 1995, the motto that work is something you do, not something you travel to was coined. Variations of motto include work is something we do, not a place that we go, and work is what we do, not where we are. In 2000, annual leave or vacation in some organization was seen as absence from workplace rather than ceasing the work, and some office employees used telework to continue to check work emails while on vacation. Teleworkers in the 21st century often use mobile telecommunications technology such as Wi-Fi equipped laptop or tablet computers and smartphones to work from home. Others may use a desktop computer and landline phone at their home. According to Reuters poll, approximately 1 in 5 workers around the globe telecommunicate frequently and nearly 10% work from home every day. Telecommuting has been adopted by a range of businesses, governments, and not-for-profit organizations. Telework is facilitated by tools such as groupware, virtual private networks, conference calling, video conferencing, virtual call center, voice over IP, and by the decreasing cost of good quality laptop computers. As broadband internet connections become more commonplace, more and more workers have adequate bandwidth at home to use these tools to link their home to their corporate intranet and internal phone network. Today, telecommuters can carry laptops which they can use both at office, at home, and nearly anywhere else. The rise of cloud computing technology and Wi-Fi availability have enabled access to remote servers via a combination of portable hardware and software. Furthermore, with their improving technology and increasing popularity, smartphones are becoming widely used in telework. By technology of mobile phones and personal digital assistants, PDA devices allows instant communication through text messages, camera photos, and video clips from anywhere and anytime. Telecommuting benefits the society in economic, environmental, and personal ways. Telecommuting offers benefits to communities, employers, and employees. Organizations may use telecommuting to reduce costs. For example, telecommuting employees do not require an office or cubicle, a space which needs to be rented or purchased, and incurs additional costs such as lighting, climate control, cafeteria, etc. Teleworking typically reduces commuting time to time stuck in traffic jams. Teleworking make it easier for workers to balance their work responsibilities with their personal life and family roles, for example, caring for elderly parents. Some organizations adopt teleworking for environmental reasons, as telework can reduce congestion and air pollution with less vehicles on road. It can be efficient and useful for companies since it allows workers to communicate over long distances, saving significant amount of travel time and cost. Possible tax advantages for workers using part of their home for business purposes. It provides employer the ability to provide work to individuals who through disability are unable to travel to a workplace. Social isolation can lead to less motivation. The ability to motivate oneself is even more important when telecommuting than when working in office because work climate or manager nearby. Telecommuting involves greater distractions. According to one study, children are ranked as number one distractions, followed by spouses, pets, neighbors, and solicitors. Face-to-face interactions increase interpersonal contact, connectedness, and trust. Therefore, some thought they lost out on social interaction and some felt they lost out on professional interaction. Employees who telework may feel pressure to produce more output in order to be seen as valuable and reduce the idea that they are doing less work than others. Telecommuting scams are very common. Many of these job offers are scams claiming that people can get rich quick while working from home. In fact, these scams require an investment upfront with no payoff at the end. More than 3 million web entries resulting from a search on the phrase work at home. More than 95% results are scams linked to scams or other dead ends. Guys, always remember one thing. If a business opportunity promises no risk, little effort and big profits, it almost certainly is a scam. These scams offer only a money pit where no matter how much time and money is invested, consumers never achieve the riches or financial freedom that they promised.